Hey there. Thought I'd do another live stream. If you guys can't hear me, then let me know. You might have to deal with me like constantly checking this if there's like any chat going on here. Or I could do this. So yeah, I can't do much since I don't have another monitor connected to this laptop right now, and I don't feel like plugging it into anything. So in Windows, normally to get a program you'd have to like go to the website to download it and stuff like that. In Linux, most of the time it's not like that. You have package managers. It's kind of like an app store. Most stuff is like free, open source stuff. There are a few updates, so I'll take care of those another time. Actually, I'll update them right now. Something you do with the package manager. You can update stuff. Yeah, while this is going on, I thought I'd explain what I'm about to do. So, like I said, Linux has this thing called a package manager that's like an app store, and you get them from a repository. Basically, that's like the source, or basically like where it comes from. You can add repositories if you can't find anything, and if you still can't find anything, you can just go on the website and look it up. On Windows, most of the time, that's what you have to do. You have to go to the website, or get a CD or a flash drive with the app on it that you want to install, and download it. On Linux, nobody really does that. Not that much, anyway. There are a few type of package managers in Linux. I'll go through that and then I'll try out the thing in Windows. Yeah, I just showed you the package manager. Two types. One that's like more like an app store. Those are the most user-friendly in my opinion. The terminal way, so you basically type a command to install, get rid of, or update stuff. There's also this kind. Yeah. They're all given like generic names, and I don't find that very user-friendly. Like it just has the actual name of the package itself instead of like real, what I would think is a real name for it. It's kind of like a nickname in a way, and when you search for it, you have to type that nickname, and you can't. I don't think. Well, you can start the title and the description, but I don't think the description will ever have the full name of the program, and that's why I don't like that kind of package manager that I just showed you. Not as much anyway. I mean, I use it when Discover, the package manager that comes with KDE, doesn't work. There we go. Yeah, that's why I prefer this kind. I think this one's the most user-friendly kind. So in Windows, some people actually did make a package manager. Yeah, in Windows, some people made a package manager, and it's called Chocolatey. It's kind of a funny name, but it works the same way as a package manager in Linux would work. The command line kind of package manager. So I'll try it out for the first time. I've heard about it, and it looked interesting. So let me just load up my virtual machine. Yeah, my mic is loud. That's my bad. I had it really close to my mouth. I guess it won't load as fast because I'm recording. And OBS is pretty resource hungry. It's working now. It was working. I'll have to change the push to talk shortcut again. Control Q apparently closes everything. Can't be that because that's going to select everything. I wonder if this will cause anything to happen. Let me just test out this push to talk shortcut real quick. Yeah. Now I have two workspaces, or two desktops for it. So I wouldn't have to minimize and maximize stuff. Alright, let's try this thing. It's probably not going to run as good as it would on actual hardware, but I don't really feel like trying it on my desktop computer, which has Windows installed on it. So I'm doing it on here because it's better to test things in a virtual machine, in my opinion. Yeah, it runs. Yeah, of course it's gonna run worse. Right. Yeah, it froze up on me. Whatever though. So this is supposed to work sort of like package managers in Linux. And yeah, the virtual machine is going to run a lot slower since I'm recording and I can't really use anything else to record. Or use anything else to live stream. Not that I know of. Let's install this thing. So how am I supposed to install it? Like, do I need to download something or no? Right, I'm going to use it with command prompt and not PowerShell. Let's hope this works. So from what I've seen of this, it's pretty straightforward. I'll have to close this out and open it back up though. Find it kind of funny how the first things that show up are Chocolatey. But I already have it. Well, I want to install Chocolatey with Chocolatey. Maybe I guess I'll install Flash Player and Adobe Reader and 7-zip. Never mind 7-zip, I already have it. So the way this works is that you would search for what you want to install, and you would copy and paste these into the command prompt and install them from here. Wait, what just happened? I'm just now making a sound. I wonder if I caused a problem with the recording. Probably not. Hopefully I typed everything right. Pretty sure I did, since it's not that hard to do the stuff like this in the command line in Linux, so it shouldn't be that hard here. I already know how to update, well, actually not how to update, but I know how to uninstall stuff. I guess I'll look at how to do other stuff. I guess this is I might have to charge my laptop. I don't feel like doing that right now though. So yeah, here's the references here for the commands. How to install stuff, uninstall stuff. There are other things. I know there's a way you could set it to like prevent it from showing you end user license agreements and stuff like that. So I'll add these things. If this doesn't go right, then I'm pretty sure it's the creators of these documents' fault. Because like I know I did everything right. Interesting. I just right-clicked and nothing showed up, but I already pasted it. Let's hope this works. All I can do is hope it works. By installing you accept licenses. I already did. I don't need this. No register key found. Oh, it should make it though. This is probably going to take a while. It's pretty slow. It's not that fast. Linux's package managers are faster, and it'd probably be faster to download this off the internet or off their website. It's probably like this because I'm in my room and my Wi-Fi router is all the way in the back den of my house. So that could be it. There's probably a lot more I can do with this whole live streaming thing. I guess I can like make pause breaks and whatnot, and add music and stuff like that. I don't know how to do all that stuff though. This is interesting. Like, it's slow, but it's a good idea. I like this idea. I think there was like a GUI version where you don't have to type in commands. But I heard that one's not that good. My biggest complaint about this is that, like, God, it's just so slow. Really slow. Like, I could probably, like, download it from the website and install it faster. Or I mean, or it wouldn't take as long. And yeah, Discover is a pretty slow package manager, but I haven't had too many problems with it. And if this is too slow for me, I mean, at least I'm more patient with this than with Chocolatey. I guess that's just because it's my first time using it. And the command line package manager in Linux is a lot faster than this, than Chocolatey. If this is taking forever. What else to do? I guess I could go on my rambling about operating systems. Here's something that you might hear me say a lot, or something I like to say a lot. I don't think many people would hear me say this a lot, but maybe I've talked with a few of my friends and they said it, and they have probably heard this before. I believe every operating system has a different purpose. They all have different ecosystems, they all have different stuff on them. There's different things you can do on each of them, different things you can't do. Windows is perhaps the best for productivity, gaming, everything professional is just the best on Windows. And same with Mac OS, but that one's kind of that one has a little bit more restriction. But both Windows and Mac, you don't really have as much control over your computer as with Linux. So yeah, the only thing that, let's see, what installed? Notepad++, Adobe Reader, Flash didn't install. Okay. So yeah, two things installed. It's not perfect. I never really had a problem where something would not be able to install in Linux. Packages requiring reboot. I'm pretty sure I don't really need a reboot. this is probably an old version, because I'm pretty sure they came out with a new version of this in this year. Because if the newest version of this was actually did come out in 2018, then the sources for Chocolatey must be really outdated. This is something. I wonder if there's. I'm not sure if Chocolatey installs everything in its own folder, or they're installed like in the same stuff as they normally would be when you're using the normal installer. Let's say I want to uninstall some stuff. I'll try that too. I'm not sure what I'm going to uninstall. I guess I'll just uninstall everything I install on here. I don't really feel like trying to update everything. But to do that, you would type, I think it's this. I think that's what. This was a pretty good idea. It could be better. It could be a lot better. It's too slow. Yeah, I was right. This is how you update everything. Choco upgrade all. Now I'm gonna uninstall everything that I got from Chocolatey, and perhaps I wonder if it can uninstall stuff that didn't come with it. Or well, I wonder if I can uninstall stuff that is available on Chocolatey, but I did not install with it. We will see. Wait, I was wrong. I typed Choco update all, and this I think it's actually Choco upgrade all. Alright. Alright. Wonder if it can install everything. Google Chrome is not installed. Well, it looks like I can't get rid of something I didn't install with Chocolatey. Alright. This is okay. It could be better. Like, I could compare this with installing a package in Linux. It might be faster. I should have typed -y. I don't know, that's the only problem. Plus it's slow. It could be faster. But I guess it's slow just because virtual machines don't perform as good. Who knows? But I guess that wraps it up. This was kind of fun to try out. Oh god.